Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Yohan Hermawan Sugiarto di channel Super Motor Jangkang. Kali ini kita kedatangan motor Vario. Katanya tuh lampunya tuh nggak hidup. Nggak hidup guys ya. Oke, mau tahu kelanjutannya? Nanti kita cek satu persatu kabelnya ya. Langsung saja, cus.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady, I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending, now I'm spreading and getting my name out now, yeah they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound, I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something, I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome, I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah, I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive, I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want in life. You don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body.
Mesin hidup ya guys ya. Kita cek dulu kabel satu-satu. Jalur lampunya tidak hidup ya guys ya. Cuma satu kabel yang hidup. Kalau sudah dicek semua berarti itu biasanya di IC-nya ya. Kita tes, kita ganti yang baru ya.
I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard, 6 feet. I can taste it, I'm fading. Why am I still waiting? What are y'all debating? It's really irritating. You hear what I'm saying? Fear got 'em shaking. You won't ever find a fucker like me in the making. Bite me and you'll break 'em. Your teeth will be vacant. I don't need to be patient, man. I breed entertainment from the streets, not the basement. Oh, see, I've been baking like your mama's casserole. She makes me. I turn on the radio when you hear some shit. Your throat all slit if you don't post this, and I won't be missed. Hell no, I'm pissed. I'm the only rapper in this game.
Ini yang aman. Ada mas? Nah, ini yang baru. Ini kodenya ini ya. Nah, ini kode K60R plus K60R B71 in 01. Kalau K59 tuh dia nggak bisa pasang. Biasanya posisinya malah terbalik, starternya malah nggak hidup dia kalau pakai K59. Kita tes langsung saja ya.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help.
Kita tes lagi ya. Hidup ya. Masih di coaching. Hidup. Gimana? Foto kasih coba. Kita tes langsung dengan lampunya. Hidup ya guys ya. Udah hidup nih. Sip. Sekarang kita tinggal masang semuanya ya guys ya. Kalau sudah ketemu ini memang ini penyebabnya.
Is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play you guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now. I remember everything, and how
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how
Sudah hidup ya guys ya. Lampu sudah hidup normal.
Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was life, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Oke, sekian dulu dari video kali ini. Cara mengganti ECU-nya ya. Sudah mati tadi gara-gara ECU-nya sudah mati kan. Kita ganti pakai yang baru, hidup kembali normal. Saya Yohan Hermawan Sujarto, channel Super Motor Jangkang, untuk diri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.